Morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Pad 5 and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So if you wish to remove all setup, all changes on this device and want to go back to default setup, just enroll the settings, then scroll all the way down and pick System and Update. Here you'll notice Backup and Reset, and now mark Reset Device. And pick Reset All Settings, confirm that you truly want to do it, mark one more time on Reset to confirm. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you have to be sure. As you can see, that theme has been already changed, and just give it a couple of seconds to perform a full reset. As you can see, also the navigation bar is changed and everything will be back in default setup. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.